Novarity has been born 20 years ago. We started to work on field service management solution. We have developed many applications that start basically in the field. So it's a field service, starting from work order creation to the execution on the field of work orders through RealWare. You can use field workers that are not employed, that are basically externals, that you teach them basic instruction and then they can execute the work on the field without being too expert of the things they're doing. The second thing, I think that the quality of work that can be done also by experienced workers that use RealWare allows them to be at the end with the client, but to provide a better service to the final client they're serving for.